Yo, what's happening, man? Boog Night in the house, man, with my homeboy, Broham.
Broham.
You know what I'm saying? We in the ride on the interstate, kind of stuck in traffic a little bit. We moving now, but finna go put the finishing touches on this Southern Tales, man. Episode 1, Bang Bang Boogie, man.
And y'all make sure y'all go cop that too. Associates Incorporated, Broham ENT. Y'all be looking out for us.
For shizzle, you know what I'm saying, man? But y'all just stay tuned, man. We're gonna be here, y'all up, man. You know, we doing this thing right here. I'm just chilling, man. I'm just happy to be back, man. Shout out to my homegirl, Keita B, man. I got your shirt on, you know what I mean? Get it how you live, man. I'll show y'all. I'll show you later on, man. But we're gonna be shooting shots all day, man. So shots out to all the associates, man. Wish y'all all could have made it, but they can't. But we finna go handle the BI, you know what I mean? Shout out to my homeboy DT too, you know what I'm saying? So that's about it, man. Holla back, man, in a second, man. You got something to say, man?
Man, y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Lil Dedrick, Broham ENT, Mad Hatters, Associates Incorporated, you feel me? We out here. We finna shake this thing, you feel me? Cashville, stand up.
For sure, man. To be continued, man. Southern Tales, episode 1, Bang Bang Boogie coming soon, nigga. Y'all get out there and cop that shit. For real, though.
Bang!